Hi, I'm Andrew at Baker's Gas. Just got my Multimatic 255 in, and I have the cart, the EZ-Latch cart that goes along with the Multimatic 255 and the Millermatic 255. So we're going to put it together, see how easy it is to put together, and then later on we're going to put the machine on the cart. So I'll put it together here.
Put together?
Yeah. Should be good.
So now, how easy was that to put together?
Took a little. That piece didn't want to go right in there, but it's all right. They say that there's a quick catch system on this cart. Now I backed all these off, and you can see on this cart these little fingers are on there. You don't want to back the screw all the way out. There's a little spring in there. You don't want to lose that, so you just back it up enough to where it's over the edge, so where that machine will fit on there. So I brought all these little clamps all the way back out. Let's see if we can. So now that we got the feet in place, there we go. All right, I had it sitting on top of that one, but then we're gonna screw these back in. We're gonna do it to the other side too, but just to show you real quick on this, so you get your door opens, and then you also get underground storage. Thought that was hinged, didn't know that wasn't. So you can put all your stuff under there too. Consumable kit, that kind of thing. Take torch, maybe even your push-pull gun if you want to go that route. So I noticed earlier it was kind of cumbersome to ship. Oh, there we go. All right. Very cool. So, to make sure these are in, very cool. So now we're hooked up to the cart, and that's looks pretty good. It actually wasn't too bad. You just got to remember to keep those the little clamp back off there, so when you set it down, you're not sitting on top. Not bad. Looks pretty good on the cart. One thing on this, notice how the cylinder's leaning forward, so it's got this forward slope on that cart, so it leans the cylinder forward so it can't tip back off that cart. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.